Welcome to Online Tool School, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can create Instagram stories without the use of Photoshop and by using a very simple drag and drop software. So what you need to do is you need to go to canva.com. So enter Canva on Google, click the top link which shows canva.com, then it will take you to a page that looks very similar to this here. Now sign up if you haven't signed up. You can sign up with a free account or you can go to their pro version which gives you unlimited features, but for now you can do everything you need to do an Instagram story with just a free account. So we're going to continue as Online Tool School. So here you can see the inside of Canva. You can see there's a lot of features. You can do a video, a YouTube banner, a YouTube thumbnail, an Instagram post. Now a link to the previous video regarding Instagram posts should be up in the corner now, so give that a watch after this one. But in this video we're going to be going over Instagram stories. So if you want to click here with Instagram stories, and here you should see the canvas which allows you to do Instagram stories. Now I just want to show you a few basic features of Canva. So here you can add the title, so we can put IG story. Here you can click share, where you can add a group of people that you want to share this design with so they can potentially edit it. Here you have the download feature where you have multiple choices. Now if I actually put a template within, you will see when I go to share you can actually pick from a variety of options within the download feature. So as you can see here, we started off with a template and they have a variety of templates here. Some are free, some are paid. So once you see the pro feature here, this means you have to be on their pro plan to access this feature, but you can see there's a variety of free templates you can use. So if we like this, we could customize it through clicking on certain elements, and here you can see you can change the text, change the font size to make it smaller or to make it much larger. You can also accommodate the text by dragging the features across. As mentioned, you can change the text here. You can change the color of the text. You can make it bold, italic, position it differently, actually create a bullet point list, a numbers list, or back to normal. You can include spacing, so you have letter spacing here to make it a really tight squeeze or really expand the letter spacing. Line spacing, this is more to do with if you add text below, and you can see we can do line spacing here. So if we click effects, you can notice that we can actually change the effects of the text. As you can see there, it is now neon, and you can even animate the text, so you can have the text coming in, coming up, faded in little by little, ascend. There's so many features you can play with here that you could spend hours on Canva just going through the different animations and what looks best. So here, if we go to the three dots, you can notice that we can make text underlined, we can make it uppercase, it's already uppercase here because it is a title. You can position backwards, forwards, so if we press forwards you will see it goes above the morning text. Here we can actually copy the style. So what happens here is once we copy this style and click here, the text will change and it will go to the style that the actual first element is, which is a really handy feature if you want to do quick edits for your Instagram stories. You can make it transparent, so as you can see the text below, transparent, and you can actually add a link. So overall, that is how you can edit a template of an Instagram story. you can lock this design so you don't edit anything you don't want to. But let's start from scratch here. So here you can add different elements onto the screen. Let's say that we want to have a girls based post. Girls can do anything. These graphics themselves don't need to be edited too much, but if you would like to edit, you could edit the animation. So how it comes in, on exit, both, direction. These features are all on the Pro plan, but you can see there's a lot you can do with Canva that, yes, you may be able to do on other softwares, but it's so much more simpler on Canva. Here you can again make it transparent, position it behind a certain element or at the top, in the middle, to the left, to the bottom. There's a lot you can do here. So let's just say we want to add text. We can add text here and add our description. We can even embed certain elements, so YouTube, Vimeo, TED, Spotify. If you click more here, you can see you can add photos, styles, audio, videos, backgrounds. So if we click background here, we can see we can add this background, and this is what would turn up. So this is a scrunched piece of paper as a background. You can add a heading, or you could simply just put girls do anything, and there you go. That is a very simple Instagram story you could create, which you could download here as a PNG, or you can download as an MP4 or as a GIF with no sound. So there's a variety of options, and once you clicked what you would like to do, you could also download both Instagram stories, so page 1, page 2, and it will end up in a zip folder, or you can just download your chosen Instagram story and it will download to that specific format you would like it in, so PNG, and click download. So hopefully this has given you a very brief but at the same time quite a detailed overview of how to do an Instagram story within Canva.